Hey guys, quick video for you today. I just wanted to show off all the fans I have here installed at our ranch house in Tarpley, Texas. Starting with the master bedroom. This is a 1987 Hunter Original, running here on medium speed. Nice and quiet, nice large 12-inch glass shade on it for the light. I'll show you that. All right. Moving to the next bedroom. 1926 Emerson 47641. This fan can be chain hung or hung on a down rod. Here it is running on the new low speed that I just wired up for it. This uses a 16 microfarad capacitor in series with the stator to give this nice relaxed low. Ramp it up to high. Now it's going like 230 RPM. Yeah, 48-inch fan. One of the rarest fans I have. And now with the new low speed, it's a little bit tamer here. All right, into the small bedroom. 1936 Emerson 86641. This is reversible, running on a low speed courtesy of a 12 microfarad capacitor. Last model with the vents on the canopy, or last year, 1936. Okay. All right, two more. In the living room, we got a 1977 Hunter Original 22272. This is the first year of the 22272 and the only year with a 1.9 amp motor. Running on a nice relaxed factory low speed. This fan is very quiet. Has the low profile canopy. All factory finish. All right, now the only fan that was original to the house when we bought it last year. 1981 Hunter Original. And this one is also unusually quiet. This is like one of the only 36-inch originals I've seen that doesn't hum. Like, it is very quiet. So it looks pretty rough, but I may end up restoring it someday and giving it a new coat of paint because it's so quiet. I really want to hang on to it. All right, well, that is it. Thanks for watching.